Today I'm taking a look at the topme bolt extractor kit. So those do look like good steel. We can see we got our little backward spiral pattern there on the inside. These are labeled on the case so we can see exactly what we're missing if we take one of these guys out. And it is stamped there on the socket. You can see that all the way down to the smallest size. These are all 3/8 drive. But we also have that hex on the outside so we can grab that with a wrench if we want to. It does come with an adapter, so if we want to use that with a drill we can. Although I do not recommend that. We do have the capacity to do that. We also have our punch. Whenever we grab onto our nut and we pull that guy off, it has a tendency to want to stay jammed on there. We can take this guy, run it through the back, and punch that out. So it is nice that they thought of that when they made this set. Looks like that handles down to a 1/4 inch, and that goes up to a 3/4 inch. So pretty good variety in sizes. So here we can see we got a bolt jammed onto a nut with 30 foot-pounds of force, and we can see that that has a naturally rounded head on it. Just gonna see which one looks like it fits. That one looks like it fits, and I'm gonna give that one solid tap. This hex is a 7/8, so I'm just going to use that with a socket. And we did grab it, and we are spinning that right out. So the trick, if you don't want to have to use that punch, is after we get it loose, just give it some taps back and forth. Wow, maybe not on this one. That's got a real strong grip. Quite often this will pop it off. I think I might actually have to use the punch. No sweat, we will do that. There we go. So we can see we bit pretty well into that bolt and very little damage to those teeth, if at all. So overall, that is a very nice set.